Kung nasa sales ka, bibigyan kita ng tip kung paano ang closing after a sales presentation. But first, make sure na na-explain mo ng malinaw at naibigay mo lahat ng detalye ng pine-present mo. At siguruhin mo na nasagot mo lahat ng mga tanong at kailangan nilang malaman. Now, after your presentation, ito yung kadalasan na kahinaan ng mga nasa sales. Yung awkward sa'yo na mag-proceed sa closing at nakikipagpakiramdaman ka sa client mo. Number 1 rule, don't ask them kung bibili na ba sila or kung kailan sila magdidesisyon. Don't ask them questions that is answerable by no or next time na lang. Instead, mag-relax ka. Tanungin mo sila ng mga questions that is answerable by yes. For example, how do you want to proceed with your payment, sir? Ika-cash po ba or ika-card? Nakita mo ay give him options that is a yes and a yes. Cash or card? Or ano po ba yung kukunin ninyong item? Product 1 or product 2? Still, yes and a yes. Again, this is just a tip for you to have a flow kapag dating sa closing with your clients. Pero still, nakadepende pa rin ang closing rate mo sa confidence mo at sa pagiging knowledgeable mo dun sa product or item na binibenta mo.